My name is Lisa Helps, and I'm the executive lead for BC Builds.
I'm James Emery. I'm a partner in the firm Iredale Architecture.
My name is Michael Epp. I'm the Director of Planning and Development for Metro Vancouver Housing.
One of the challenges we have is having enough housing. Housing costs are really high, and building of housing is not meeting up with demand.
By some estimates, we need to build 3.5 million additional homes across Canada. It can take upwards of 5 years. Currently, from concept to delivery of individual projects, we need to think radically differently about how we do this.
What DASH is trying to address is to accelerate all elements of the housing development process.
The DASH system is made up of a kit of parts, prefab panels that we use to build up the structure. There's a blueprint design for different unit types and layouts. There's a structural system that's embedded into it. This is all available through digital interface, and it allows developers, nonprofits to access this database and quickly decide whether a project is viable or not.
Often innovation can tend to fail when you don't have everyone needed around the table to solve the problem you're trying to solve. And in this project, we've got the architects, the designers, the manufacturers, the policymakers, the municipalities. So really, I think that's a key element of the project that will make it successful.
It is a systems approach. What's unique about DASH is it is taking that big look at the whole process and applying technology to each and every one of those systems and processes.
We have onboarded a number of panelized manufacturers, done a number of workshops with them as well. We are now speaking with architects and engineers about using this in projects that are actually just starting up. We're designing these to step code requirements. The energy efficiency is embedded into the design already.
The key element of the DASH system in terms of simplification is really replication. We can do the same thing over and over again without designing a unique building each time because we're using AI, and it just tells us right then what portions of this building can be prefabricated.
Next for DASH is launching the project formally as something that can be available to any housing provider. BC Housing is looking at testing the system on its development projects, moving beyond the public sector into a full solution that can be available to nonprofits with buy-in from municipalities who are prepared to accelerate the approval of projects that come through the DASH process is the next step for this solution.
My vision looking forward 10 years after the implementation of DASH is that we're building homes more quickly, we're building homes with less waste, we're building homes more affordably. So I think the implementation of DASH in its first decade and beyond has profound implications both on speed, quality, sustainability, and cost of construction.